Minister's son got married in the core zone of Rajaji Tiger Reserve in Haridwar, Uttarakhand, with generators, coolers, and a stage setup. The Forest Department said no permission was taken for the event, but the minister insisted tacit consent was given. Rajaji Tiger Reserve is an ecologically sensitive zone housing more than 50 species of mammals, including the highly endangered Asian elephant and tiger. Uttarakhand's Social Welfare Minister Khajan Das's son got married on 26 April 2026 at the Sureshwari Devi Temple, which is located in the forest of the Tiger Reserve. The Forest Department official Ajay Lingwal said they were not informed about the event and have booked the temple committee under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 for violations of forest and wildlife reforms. The temple committee, on the other hand, stated that the Forest Department was informed prior to the event and the wedding rituals were intended to be conducted in a simple way. When the minister was asked about it, he said that they had been visiting the temple since the last 10 years and that his son had been unwell for a while, due to which he had vowed to get his son married before the deity at that temple. He stated that the Forest Department officials were informed and they did not mention the need for a formal approval. A tacit consent was given.
मैं यहाँ पर भी आया था और निदेशक वन वो उस दिन यहाँ पर थे, उनको भी मैं आमंत्रित किया और वहाँ दिखाया भी गया कि हम यहाँ पर शादी का आयोजन किया। मंदिर समिति का ऐसा नहीं कि मंदिर समिति की ही अनुमति से हुआ है।
Das also mentioned that he had organized a bhandara earlier at the same temple without any issue. The official website of the Rajaji Tiger Reserve says playing music or even honking is not advised in the area as it disrupts the natural roots and routines of the animals. With each passing year, we see an increase in the human-wildlife conflict. In the first half of 2025 alone, 43 people were mauled to death by tigers across the country. Now the real question is, if rules don't apply inside a tiger reserve for those in power, then who are they really meant for?